Hello everyone, Brave here again. Today, we're diving into setting up a vMenu-based server with no additional scripts, just the pure FiveM base files. This type of server is commonly used by content creators for making videos with Rockstar Editor or for testing custom cars and maps. It's a simple and straightforward setup with vMenu as the core tool. While vMenu can be downloaded and integrated into other frameworks, I've chosen to install it for pure mode, with zero custom scripts, to keep things clean and simple. So, let's get started and walk through the process step by step. Let's jump into the video. Today, we're going to start by downloading some essential software to get your server up and running. First, we'll grab Visual Studio Code, VS Code, my favorite code editor. It's packed with features to make coding smooth, efficient, and beginner-friendly. It's already installed on my machine, so I'll skip that step, but you'll want to download and install it on your system. Once that's done, we'll move on to downloading the server base for FiveM. Follow the link in the video description to grab the files. Remember, file names may vary due to updates, so download the latest version available or the one specified at the top of the page. After downloading, create a folder named FiveM. And inside it, create another folder called Artifacts. Unzip the downloaded files into the Artifacts folder. And once that's done, delete the zip file to keep things tidy. Before running anything, make sure your FiveM account is linked to CFX. If it isn't, visit the FiveM website, sign in or create an account. I recommend using Google for simplicity, and link your account to CFX. Next, open the FX server file in the Artifacts folder. When you run it, a terminal window will pop up with a code to link your account to TXadmin. Follow the instructions to complete the linking process, and you'll be redirected to the TXadmin login page. Set a strong password for your admin account and proceed. Now let's set up the foundation of your server. Now you can assign a server name here. This name is for internal use only and won't be public, so feel free to choose whatever name you prefer. Next, click on the Deployment Type section and select Popular Recipe. In the list of popular recipes, pick the first option, CFX Default FiveM. Ensure the path of the data location is correct, then hit Save and Run Recipe. To run the server, you'll need a license key from Keymaster. Log into Keymaster using your CFX account. Once logged in, you can either use an existing key or create a new one. Remember, you can only have 3 active servers at a time. Copy the license key you create and paste it into the input box, then run the recipe. This will begin downloading the basic FiveM scripts to the folder you created. Once completed, you'll see a folder containing resources and a server.cfg file. Note that this setup doesn't include any roleplay scripts. It's just the base of a FiveM session. Next, let's move on to setting up vMenu. Visit the GitHub page for vMenu. The link is provided in the description. Once on the page, scroll to the Releases section located at the bottom right and download the vMenu zip package from there. This will serve as the foundation for adding administrative and customization features to your server. Now, unzip the downloaded vMenu files and copy the extracted folder. Navigate back to the Resources folder in your server directory. Here, you have 2 options. paste the folder directly into the resources directory, or create a new folder with brackets, for example, menu, for better organization. For this example, I'm creating a folder called menu. Make sure to use the correct brackets, as missing or incorrect brackets can cause issues when running vMenu. Once the folder is created, paste the copied vMenu files into it. This keeps your resources organized and ensures everything runs smoothly. Now copy the name of the folder we just created, for example, menu or your chosen name. Next, open the server.cfg file in your server directory. Scroll to the bottom, or any preferred section, and add the following line. Ensure folder_name. Replace folder_name with the name of your vMenu folder. This ensures that vMenu is loaded when the server starts. Don't forget to save the file after making this change. Next, head to the vMenu documentation linked in the video description. Locate the line related to executing the vMenu configuration. For example, execpermissions.cfg or similar. Copy that line and paste it into the top section of the server.cfg file. This step is crucial as it ensures vMenu permissions are properly integrated with your server. Save your changes, and vMenu is now ready to run with the correct permissions. After extensive testing and productive discussions, I'm thrilled to announce that RocketNode and Codeine are now official partners. We recognize the critical importance of providing top-tier hosting services to ensure your players enjoy an exceptional FiveM experience. RocketNode comes with DDoS protection, 24/7 support, and cloud backups. They offer extremely customizable FiveM server hosting, allowing you to create your own server with just one click. Their easy-to-use control panel makes it simple to set up and modify your FiveM server. If you're tired of searching for a reliable provider for your community, start building with RocketNode today. Make sure to use the link in the description and get a 25% discount on your server by using the promo code provided below. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to enhance your server with a reliable hosting solution. Now, if you navigate to the config folder inside vMenu, you'll find 3 important files. addon.json. This is where you add spawn names for custom cars or PDs that you import into the server. However, it's not entirely clear how this works with weapons and attachments, so further testing might be required. Locations.json. Here, you can define map blips for specific locations, making it easier for players to find areas like shops, garages, or other points of interest. Permissions.cfg. This is the most crucial file. It handles all permissions and usage settings for vMenu in your server. You can configure key bindings to open the menu and other important functionalities. Around line 150, you'll find the section to set admin and moderation permissions using Steam IDs or player license IDs. To activate a permission, simply remove the ## symbol from the corresponding line in the code. Once you've made these changes, load txadmin and start your server. Make sure vMenu opens without any errors in the server console and works as expected in-game. If there are issues, double-check your configurations, especially the permissions file, for any mistakes. Now that everything is set up, open FiveM, and you should see the option to connect to your server under the Play button. Keep in mind, the server we created doesn't include a loading screen, multi-character system, or spawn scripts. It's a pure FiveM-based session. This type of server is often used for testing purposes, such as custom cars, custom maps, or other specific features. Once you're in the server, press M to open vMenu, which provides access to all its functions. Through this menu, you can perform various actions like character customization, spawning vehicles, and adding weapons. It's a versatile tool that makes testing and development much easier. Enjoy experimenting with your new server setup. That's it for today's video. I hope this guide helped you set up your FiveM server and explore the basics of using vMenu. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content. If you have any questions, need assistance, or have suggestions for upcoming videos, drop a comment below or reach out directly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gaming! I'm thrilled to announce that Codeine has officially surpassed 7,000 members on Discord, making it one of the best FiveM developers and server owners hubs. Fueled by this increase in member count, we've added developer AI bots to help fix code snippets for users facing issues. Moreover, Users can also create logos for their servers using our logo-creating AI bots. With support for all frameworks from thousands of developers, you'll also find all the necessary free items needed to start a simple roleplay server. So what's stopping you from joining? Join now!